Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, those of you that are yet to subscribe and have not yet subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like and share. So, this is our GBPUSD. If you take a look at this, right, we can see that this is an uptrend move. We are on a bullish move. GBPUSD is giving us an uptrend move. So, as at now, we are having something like a pullback. Now, this is a movement of this GBPUSD. So, let's start it from here for quick analysis to understand it right. We'll take a look at this to be an higher highs, and we will consider this to be an higher lows, then a new highs, and here comes an higher lows, right? New highs here and an higher lows, new highs that has been made that broke this previous highs, and this is an higher lows. So what we'll be expecting in the long run, we should be expecting a new highs that will take out this previous highs. I think it will be more visible by next week and next week. So within next week, next week, in 2 weeks time, a new high should have been made. And if there will be more movement, if the price will be volatile or there will be more volume that is being traded, then we should be able to see by next week a new high will be made. So anyhow, price will be giving us an uptrend move. That is the full trend. But to be able to predict this price for the next day, if we want to predict this price for the next day, we have to go to the 4-hour time frame and trade exactly what we are seeing, right? So you can see that price has rejected here, one, rejected here, two, rejected here, three times, kind of like a three bottom has been made on this our GBP USD, right? So you can kind of see it like, will I say, you can see it like a support level on a 4-hour on time frame support level. So if you want to see it that way, so we can see that price has rejected a one, price has rejected a two, price has rejected a three. So we can now also see price reacting to this level up on the 4-hour time frame, right? We are talking on the 4-hour time frame, not the full time frame. So we can see price has rejected here and also rejected here. So we will take this stop as a resistance level. So let's see this GBP USD take a bullish move to this resistance level. So from here to this resistance level should be giving us about close to 50 pips. Then if price can get to that level, and we should expect a drop again on GBP USD down to this our support level, right? And continue. That is how we'll be expecting that movement back and forth, resistance level, then drop to our support level, then give us a bullish move to our resistance level. It's until this GBP USD eventually break out of this resistance level. If it breaks out of this resistance level and you want to go ahead and go long, right, all you just have to do is wait for a pullback to be made before you go ahead and go long. So we would only consider this bullish move upward on GBPUSD if this resistance level has been broken and it has been tested. If eventually price breaks out of this resistance level and it tests it, then we can go ahead and go long on this GBPUSD. If not, we can just see it come to this resistance level and price will drop to our support level and they get back down back to our resistance level. So anyhow price plays out, this is how we are going to take the trade.